Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to explain about service portal, okay, overview and branding. So what is service portal overview and how we use branding, okay? So let's see our agenda. Our agenda is simple. Service portal, what is service portal? Okay, why we use service portal? Mm, how we will navigate to service portal? What are the types of service portals available? Okay, so what is the reason for building a service portal? Okay, so giving some examples of service portal. Okay, something like that. Okay, and a demo on branding editor. Okay, so there is a branding editor for a service portal. So to give branding or fonts or colors or themes, so how we will change all those things, okay, in the service portal. This branding editor is a low code, no code, okay. Without any code, we can use. So log into your instance. So now we are going to like why we use service portal. Okay, first how we will navigate to service portal. So on the left navigation panel, you have type service portal. Okay, type service portal, and so all these the service portal application we call it. Okay, so let's mark as favorite. So we are using service portal frequently, so that's the reason I have marked ServiceNow. I mean service portal as a favorite. Okay, so that I can see the service portal in the favorite icon. Okay, so no need to type again service portal or something like that. So I will um, uh, just mark as a favorite as service portal so that we can go. Okay, so service portal. If you click on service portal home, okay, so it will redirect to service portal page. Okay, this is our ITSM service portal. Okay, so you can see there is an instance and with the suffix XP. Okay, so this is called a service portal. You can type directly SP and enter, so it will open the service portal. To open any service portal, okay, so you should know the suffix. So if you know the suffix, then you can open the service portal easily by appending the slash. Okay, so coming to service portal application, you have service portal home, service portal configurations, portals, announcements, agent chart, okay, widget instances, all these are there. Okay, so we will explain, I will explain you later all these things. Okay, depends upon the situations what we are doing. Okay. So now let's see the open the portals. Okay, so here all the available portals are. Okay, you have cab workbench portal, you have mobile employee service portal, you have knowledge portal, benchmark, employee center. Employee center is also a service portal. Okay, but this employee center is the upcoming. I mean, the present everyone is using as employee center, so they are not using service portal, so they are using employee center. So to go navigate to employee center, just type ESC. Okay, so this is one type of service portal. We have employee center, why we use employee center, how we build employee centers. Okay, so all these things we will discuss in the when we are discussing about the employee center portal. Okay, so now we will skip this one. Okay. So we have different kind of portals. So for example, if you want to open the cab workbench portal, type CAB. Okay, so you know the suffix. So URL suffix, so cab. So it will open the cab workbench service portal, and the knowledge portal, just type KB. So in knowledge portal, you can write only, you can check only the knowledge basis articles, or you can create knowledge base articles, depends upon the roles. Okay, so all these things you can do it. But in the CAB workbench, you can do only the change related information. So all these informations you can do it. Okay. So like that, we have different portals. All these belongs to ITSM service portals. So you have HRSD service portal. Okay, so GRC service portal. Okay, so it depends upon applications you want. So you have different applications service portals. So you have So in our sections, in our class or in our upcoming classes, we will discuss more about the service portal. Okay, we are not going to discuss about other service portals, all these things. We are going to discuss about our service portal SP. Okay, why we use service portal? Okay, what is the need of service portal? Okay, so we have the UI. Okay, this is next generation, okay, next experience UI you have. Okay, so whenever the user login, it will populate this page. Okay, why we need service portal? uh, so we have different users. Okay, ITL users, we have end users, we have admin users. Okay, for admin and ITL users, it is good because they need to deal with many of the applications. Okay, many of the applications they need it, but for end users, they don't want the backend, like they don't want to open the incident form or assign to anyone. So this is unnecessary for them. Okay, this view it will not give a benefit for them. Okay, so whereas in service portal it gives you the overall picture. Okay, so you no need to type anything, so you can have knowledge. You can click by clicking on knowledge. Okay, or by clicking on catalog, he can request many items whatever he want, and he can see my request or my save bundles, all these things. Okay, system status he can see. Okay, what is the current status of the system? Okay, what is the plan maintenance? And he can see the history of all these things, and he can see his own profile by clicking on the profile. Okay, he can update if we have given the permissions to the user, so he can update profile pictures, all these things. Okay, and if I click on the icon, it will go to home page of the service portal. Like, so he can search whatever he needs, like knowledge base articles. He can search any catalog item. He can search any help items. Okay, if you have any kind of approvals, what are the my open items, announcements, so current. Okay, so all these things. So these all called widgets. So we call it as a widgets in the service portal. Okay, so in the service portal, so all widgets together we call as a page. Okay, so in a page we add these widgets and headers, footers, all this information. Okay, so this is easy. So we can using the SS4 configurations or using the login rules. Okay, you can configure that based upon the roles, how you need to log in. Like whenever if a user is not having any role, so he can direct when he's login, so it will open directly service portal, default service portal. What is the company's service portal is there? Okay, so the same way. If any ITL users log in, so they can open the next experience UI or service portal either. So depends upon what he want. Okay, so you can see here request something. If I click on request something, you can see all the categories and catalog items. Okay, for example, if I want to order anything, so I will just open add or remove users groups or something like that. Okay, so I can see easily, and I can chat to any service desk agent or any virtual boards if it is configured. Okay, you can learn easily. Okay, so this is all about service portal, how you will navigate to service portal. Okay, what are the benefits by using the service portal? Okay, um, So everything will be in one page, and you can request, check the monitor the status, or approve the approvals if you have. Okay, if you want to know about knowledge articles, you can look, you can learn about, you can check the knowledge articles also. If you want some support, some you want to create some incident, okay, you can click on get help to create some incidents. Okay, some incidents. Okay, all these things you can configure it, but okay, so this is an out-of-the-box service portal. So we have out-of-the-box. So uh, it depends. Like for example, this is ServiceNow logo. So you have something called your own logo. Okay, your own logo, your company's logo you want, your company's themes you need to add. You can your company's suggestions you need to add. Okay, or your company's profiles how you want. Okay, so all these things you need to decide with your companies. Okay, so or a product owner, ServiceNow product owner, you need to decide. You need to connect with the product owner and decide like what all the attributes you need to show on the service portal. You want to rename this request something. You want to rename the knowledge base, or you want to remove the knowledge base from here and you add it here. Okay, so or if you want to add a fourth tab here. Okay, you don't want to show the approvals here, or you don't want to show the my approvals. You want to show another widget here. So all these things you need to gather the information from your service now product owner. Okay, so how you want to display everything. Okay, so that makes okay. So now let's see a simple branding editor. Okay, branding. Okay, so for example, ours is Naeem Service Now blog. Okay, YouTube channel. Okay, so now, based on my channel or my things, my themes, I will set all the themes. Okay, so how do I edit this text? How do I edit backend? I need to replace the backend image. I need to replace this logo. I need to replace the text color, font color, themes. Okay, so all these things I want to replace with my company's standard colors and themes. Okay, so how do I do that? Okay, so to do these brandings, okay, so you need to go to service portal configurations. Okay, go to service portal configurations. Okay, so you have here service portal. Okay, create a rich, engaging, and modern experience to help your business run better. Select one of the four options below to continue. Okay, so these are like designer, page editor, widget editor, new portal we will see upcoming. Okay. Now we are going to explore about the branding editor. Why you use branding editor? Or how we can use the branding editor. So if you want any help, okay, just click on get help. It redirects to our documents.servicenow.com. Okay. So once it redirects, so it will like service portal. Okay, so you can search about the service portal overview, and all this information is available easily. Okay, so and you can select the release versions. Okay, so most so if you know how to read it and how to get the things done, so this is very important. Okay, so release, which release you want. So all this release you can see. Okay, service portal designer. Okay, so all these things you can learn easily from service by clicking on get help. Now we'll see the branding editor. Click on the branding editor. Okay. Okay, so there is two things like quick setup and the themes color. Before going into this one, so you can see here service portal. Okay, so which portal you want, okay, to edit. So you can edit the cab workbench portal, or you want to edit employee center service portal or knowledge portal, anything. Let's select our service portal. Okay, these things. Okay, so the thing is like, for example, if you change something, okay, it will automatically reflect here, okay, until you close this window. Okay, so if you close this window, it will remain the same. Okay, so if you want to unchange, just for example, portal title is service portal new, or um, named ServiceNow blog. Okay, so this is our portal, something portal name. Okay, so portal name. So you see here it comes like whenever you edit, okay, something, it will reflect automatically. Okay, so if I refresh this one, okay, um, so if you hover on this one, you can see the name ServiceNow blog. So title is changed. Okay. So if you want to do undo, okay, so don't close this one. Okay. If you close this one, the changes will not re-change. Okay. So just you can click on reset the changes. Okay. So if you reset the changes, it will come back to the original. Okay. The previous from the previous state. Okay. When you open this branding editor, how the page looks. So from there it will comes as a reset changes. So if I refresh this one again the service portal is there. Okay. So now you can see here service portal. So let's change to name ServiceNow blog. Okay. So I want to change service now. Okay, I want to change the logo, so I will upload this logo. Okay, so I will upload the image, um, downloads. Okay, I will logo. I have the logo image, so that so once I upload the logo image, so it reflects. Okay, so now you can see the logo padding, like from left how much distance you want, and from top how much distance you want. Okay, so you can select the paddings, all these things. So you see the difference in here, and by refreshing the home page here directly. Okay, so it will apply, and when you hover on name, it shows you name ServiceNow blog. Okay. Um, so use title and logo to represent your brand across all the pages of portal. The same line, tagline. So how can we help? Okay. So how can we help to, or we can change to uh, blog search or something. Blog search. Okay, so if you change it, and it will automatically reflect here. Okay, to show in the subreddit tab, open the service portal, and okay, you can see, you can refresh every time. Okay, so you can refresh every time. So you can see here, if I open the portals from here. Okay, so if I open the portals from here, open the service portal. Okay, service portal, not name service, no blog. So you can see here, if whenever I'm adding CSS variable will be changing here. Let's see. Okay. So tagline color. Okay. Tagline is block. So it is an white. So if I want to change something to this color, okay, and it will change to ServiceNow blog search. Okay, so you can add, if you know the hash code value of the color, you can add the color. Okay, so homepage background color. Okay, so what is the homepage background color? Okay, so you can edit it. Okay, by clicking on anything. Okay. So here homepage, you have a background image, so that's the reason it shows you nothing at all. So if you refresh it, okay, and you can see the background color of the image. So that doesn't looks good. So let's set to white. Okay, so let's set to white color. Okay, and if you want to upload the background image, so you can upload the image for a background images. Okay, so here it is not showing you the image properly. Okay, but if you refresh this one, Okay, it shows you the image properly. So it's, it's a pixel break. Okay, so you can get from your company exact picture what you want to show here or something. Okay, with approximate pixel like health, length and width of the page image. Okay, so you can show it. Okay, if you want to delete it, you can delete it. Okay, delete the picture. So that's about quick setup and the theme colors. For example, if I want to set nav bar background color, I want to set to black. Okay, so it's something like it should. Okay, it's you see it is almost black. Okay, so the black color it is set. Okay, so if I want a nav bar divider, this is nav bar divider. If you want to set that also to black, so you can set the black color or any other colors, whatever you want. Okay, nav bar link color, so you can refresh here, okay, and you can see everything is changing or not, but still, okay, some things is changed, but some it is still not changed. Okay, and if you go to this one, so you can see the service CSS variables are editing. Okay, so modified values is all edit. It's all edit. Okay, so it will edit automatically everything. Okay, so it's like that. Now bar link color. Okay, now bar link color, now bar link over color. For example, if I set red. Okay, so it will reflect, and if I reload it, so you can see this is the red, it is changed. Okay, so like that. Okay, so page background, panel background, button background color, primary color, success, secondary info. This primary and secondary, you can see here. The primary means you can see the primary color. Okay, success means it will come as a success whenever you have success message. You have warning information. So how it will display everything. Okay, so it will show you the okay, the text colors also, like what text colors you want, what is the link color if you want to change to some anything like this, and it will automatically reflect, and if you over it, and so the link color is different, and now if this one is green color. Okay, so if you want to change that one, quick setup, theme colors. If you can change primary success to some white color, and okay, so white color, so you can see here, if I refresh this one, so you got the white color now. Okay, so you got the white color. So that is simple. So if you want to change anything, okay, you can change it. Okay, and now it is almost changed. Okay, a lot of things are changed. Okay, so you can see the CSS are also updated. Now you want to revert the changes, so just click on the reset changes. Okay, so reset changes, so it will come back to the original state. It will come back to the original state, and the CSS variables also changed or removed. See, there is nothing at all. Okay, now, so it come back. Okay, so that's simple. So the branding editor, that depends upon your selection. Okay, that depends upon the company selection. What logo they want, what is the portal title they want to add, what is the tagline, what is the background image, what is the pixel. Okay, so all these things you need to gather the information from your client. Okay, so then you can have you can create one beautiful service portal branding and themes. Okay, so that's it. Okay, for now. So that's about a service portal overview and a branding editor overview. Okay, it's simple. Okay, just you need to practice more. So like which color if you change, what will happen? So you have to practice, then you will get it easily. Okay, so there is nothing to put any um, uh, there is no need to add any codes here. Okay, in the branding. So just you can do with uh, your inputs like depends upon the requirement gathering. Just you need to know which color you need to add and which logo you need to add. So those information you need to know. Just that's it. So it's no code in branding editor. Okay, that's it. Okay, thank you. And please do subscribe for upcoming videos on the ServiceNow service portal. Okay, yeah, thank you. Please do subscribe to get alerts for upcoming videos. Hope you will enjoy and learn ServiceNow. Thank you very much for your time.